Greetings, welcome to Ashtanga Short and Strong. So the design of the course is to help you to practice consistently and sustainably. Gives you this whole library of practice along classes of varying lengths. There's 50 short practices and 50 drills. The short practices, they vary from 10 to 20, 30, all the way up to a 50-minute. These are complete practices, and they're meant for you to plug in and practice along with so that you do it. So there's really not breakdowns in these classes. They're meant to flow from start to finish. Some of them are like more the traditional counted vinyasa in Sanskrit without a lot of extra instruction.
5, Pansarasajam, inhale.
But many include well-articulated verbal cues that deal with the technical aspects of the pose, but also more inspiring cueing as well. Strong connection between your legs reaching away and your arms pulling back. And then the drills part, they're designed to be workouts, so they flow. At the beginning, I show you very briefly the exercises we're going to do, and generally they come in groupings of 3, and then we go. Supta Padangusthasana ab work drills. 3 different exercises. First one is, so we get your Supta Samastitihi, then take one leg up, and then it's just going to be going to the right, to the left, to the right, and trying to get the scapula up off the ground and really reaching through the arms. You plug it in and practice along with it. Lastly, I want to say that yes, this gives you this library of practice along with sequences and really concentrated workout drills. But you can also learn to open up this exploration and exercise your curiosity in both the customizing sequences and in working with these drills and repeating foundational aspects of the movements and postures in this smart way that is a kind of alternative to just repeating the hardest version every day and hoping to build the strength or the skill that you need to do it. Spring, crouch, spring. Okay, then the first of the 2 parts is to go up. Okay, and we're going to work on that, just that drill of going up and working to balance. With repetition, you will start to absorb all of this and then be able to translate it into your own practice in these unexpected and freeing ways that help you to kind of own your practice and open up more dimensions to it that serve you ultimately, right? So rather than thinking you're following some rigid structure that you have to adhere to every day in this certain way, there's a much more broad and open way to go about practicing. You're given a plethora of examples of excellent practice along with in both the categories, but you can also do it on your own with training. Look forward to seeing you inside.